Last month, class sold his car. He was the only driver of the car. His car's data readings for the past year showed that he travelled 3,000 miles, correct to the nearest 100 miles, and he spent 80 hours driving, correct to the nearest hour. Write down the greatest and least values for the time spent and the distance travelled by class in his car during the past year. Okay, so distance travelled first of all. Says he travelled 3,000 miles, correct to the nearest 100 miles. Okay, so all we need to do is plus or minus half a unit. So we've got 100 miles, half of that is 50. So we're just going to add and subtract 50 from 3,000. So the least distance will be 2,950 and the greatest distance will be 3,050. Okay, time spent. Well, it says he spent 80 hours driving, correct to the nearest hour. So plus or minus half a unit is to the nearest hour, so plus or minus half an hour. So it's going to be 79.5 hours and 80.5 hours. Okay, write down the calculation class would need to enter into his calculator to work out the greatest value for the average speed reading for his car during these journeys. You do not need to calculate the answer. Okay, so speed equals distance divided by time. So if we want the biggest value possible, then we need the biggest number on the top and the smallest number on the bottom. Makes sense, doesn't it? Because most distance travelled in the least time would be the fastest journey. So greatest distance travel is 3,550. The least time is 79.5. Okay.